Hello and welcome to Battlefield Ford in Manassas. Today we'll walk you through one of the simple ways that you can pair your Bluetooth device to your Ford vehicle. Today's demonstration will be performed inside a 2021 Ford Mustang, but the feature is available in all Ford models. With your vehicle turned on, click the Phone tab at the bottom of the touchscreen. On your Bluetooth device, select Bluetooth. Then select Add Phone on the vehicle's touchscreen. You will be prompted to select the name of your vehicle on your smartphone. Once you've selected your vehicle, verify that the PIN number on your smartphone matches the one on the touchscreen. Then select Pair and Yes, respectively. Once the process is complete, a message will pop up on the touchscreen confirming the pairing. To experience this and many other features on your next Ford vehicle, visit us in Manassas, Virginia, and find out why it's just better at Battlefield.